Hello guys, and welcome to my channel once again. Today I'll be trying something very special, something out of the usual that I've not tried. I do try sample a lot of food on the streets, and today I'll be trying one Indian food from the Kerela tribe in India. It's called what's the name? Vada. Tell them the name.
Vada. Urad Vada.
Vada.
Yes.
What make this one?
Urad rice powder.
Rice powder.
Urad dal rice powder.
Dal and rice powder. Dal is beans, yes? Okay, so
yes,
this is just like the akara we make in Nigeria with beans powder, but this is made with rice and beans powder. You can see it right here in the plate. So I'm gonna be trying it and have a taste of it because I like to try new things, and being an African, trying things from Asia and other parts of the world is something I love. I really love to do. So I'm trying this here, and I'll share it with you how it tastes, you know. So this is it right here. They actually gave me some chili. I've never tried this before. I know akara, but when I saw it, it looked like it has like onions inside. Yeah. And what? Onions, tomato. Okay, this is the difference now. This has tomato, ours doesn't have tomato. So it has onions, it has tomato, and they've given me some chili sauce. So I'm gonna dip it in and try it with the chili sauce. I hope it's hot. Hot? Yeah. Very hot. Yeah. If you haven't tried this, then you're missing. This place is actually at Business Bay Exit 2. If you live in Dubai, you can come and try it out, you know. It's just like the beans cake we do in Nigeria called akara, but this is the Kerala version, and I'm trying it out for the first time. It tastes so yummy. You know, before I came to UAE, I hardly would try food from Asians, most especially Indians, because I had Indians as schoolmates, but I wasn't able to eat their food while I was in school. So as a matter of fact, trying this and enjoying it, I'm regretting why I did not eat their food then, you know, because I've tried some of their food here and I really enjoyed it. This is not very hot, but I'm sure when it's hot, it's going to be more tasty and more enjoyable. So guys, you can come here and try it. You can see how people come in, just ordering this same food that I'm eating. It's so nice, and you can just have like 2 pieces and a cup of tea, chai that they call it here, and be fully satisfied. I really appreciate that I tried it, and I recommend you to check it out here in Business Bay Exit 2. It's so nice and so tasty. I can eat 10 of this actually. Yes. So please come here, enjoy yourself. This is made with you said rice and dal. Dal is called beans, so you should try it out. Guys, don't be afraid to try anything that you're not used to, because sometimes you might be missing, but in reality it could be as tasty as anything that you know. Until I see you on my next video, I remain Harry Tigansa Jingina for Experience Africans.